Hi!
Welcome back to my channel, my lovely people. Mama P is here again. I know you haven't been seeing me for a while because it's the summertime and I have a lot of things doing. So welcome back. I am here again.
So what you making?
We'll be making a simple carrot salad today.
Alright. So tell me, what's the ingredients?
Oh, the ingredients here are some carrots, some raisins, some chopped pineapple, and mayonnaise.
Alright, nice.
Alright, so now here I have this thing here. I bought it from Amazon.
It's a shredder.
Nice to shred vegetables and anything you want to shred. Cheese and whatever. And the carrots. You can also use a grater to shred the carrot. But here I am going to use this. Alright. Alright guys, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel guys. I need the subscriber please. So like the video and share it and subscribe. Tell your friend to tell a friend. Alright. Alright, so I'm finished with the shredding now. Okay, and this is about 1.5 pounds of carrots, and of course you can make more or less. It depends on how much you're making. Then you can put, you know, whatever you want. And then this is some raisins, and then I'm going ahead and I'm just gonna mix this in. And I'm gonna mix in my pineapple. This is nice and simple. When I make this, when we're having barbecue or for Thanksgiving, people just love it. They just eat it up. So try it guys, it's so delicious. Alright, so I'm going to add some more mayonnaise. So that.
Look like what? Like about 3 tablespoons or more?
So with this added, it will be about a cup.
Now you're gonna put it in the fridge, Mom?
Yep.
Just
until we're ready to serve.
Yeah, so just to keep it cool, because it's served cold.
So there you have it guys, a nice bowl of carrot salad. Please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another one. Thank you and God bless.